Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Java inheritance is tricky, but we can solve this by checking which methods are available to each object in our code segment. Statement 1 works perfectly because S1 is a softball object which has the same color method. Since S2 is also a softball, it fits the ball parameter requirement through standard inheritance. Statement 2 also compiles with any errors. Even though B3 is declared as a ball, the same color method in the softball class accepts any ball object as a valid input parameter. Statement 3 fails because ball lacks the same color method. You cannot call subclass methods using a parent type reference variable. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust the given information and check steps for option C.